single day. I'm gonna make
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, मेरा नाम है विशेष गोयल और आप देख रहे हैं मेरा चैनल विकी वर्ल्ड। आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। और यहाँ पे मैं क्लास 10th की केमिस्ट्री का सबसे पहला चैप्टर जो है केमिकल रिएक्शन एंड इक्वेशन के नोट्स लेकर आ गया हूँ। यार अब एक्सप्लेनेशन को तो व्यूज़ मिलते नहीं, तो सोचा ज़रा नोट्स ही डालते हैं। तो खैर बिना टाइम वेस्ट जल्दी से शुरू करते हैं। लेकिन मैं आपको ये बताना चाहूँगा कि हमारे चैनल पे आपको इंग्लिश, हिंदी, साइंस, एसएसटी ये सारी सब्जेक्ट्स जो हैं, इन सब सब्जेक्ट की वीडियोस आपको देखने को मिलती हैं। तो इसलिए चैनल से बने रहो, सब्सक्राइब कर देना, बेल आइकन को भी दबाना। तो चलिए फिर बिना टाइम वेस्ट जल्दी से शुरू करते हैं। सबसे पहले है केमिकल रिएक्शन। इट इज़ अ प्रोसेस बाय विच ओरिजिनल सब्सटेंस loses its nature and identity to form a new substance with different properties. For example, H2 plus O2 will give you 2H2O. Reactant. These are the original substances taken in a chemical reaction. Product. These are the new substances formed in a chemical reaction. अब अगला है एग्जाम्पल ऑफ अ केमिकल रिएक्शन। ये जो एग्जाम्पल है ये एनसीईआरटी के पेज 6 के क्वेश्चन 1 का है। Magnesium ribbon is cleaned by rubbing with sandpaper because magnesium is a reactive metal which reacts with the moist air and forms a white layer of MgO which prevents its further burning. Mg plus O2 will give you MgO. When magnesium is burnt, it produces a dazzling white flame and itself gets converted into a white powder of MgO. Again, Mg plus O2 will give you MgO, that is magnesium oxide of white color. So the next is characteristics of a chemical reaction. So सबसे पहला है change in color. Example लेते हैं। Lead nitrate plus potassium iodide gives you lead iodide plus potassium nitrate, that is PbNO3 twice, that is colorless, plus 2Ki, that is also colorless, will give you lead iodide, that is PbI2 yellow precipitate, plus 2KNO3. Next is evolution of gas. Zinc plus H2SO4 will give you ZnSO4 plus H2. Next is change in state. That is ammonium chloride in solid condition on sublimation is converted into ammonium chloride in vapor condition. उसके बाद है change in temperature. इसमें दो केसेस हैं। When temperature rises, heat is evolved and it is known as exothermic reaction. और दूसरा है when temperature falls, heat is absorbed and it is known as endothermic reaction. सबसे पहले बात करते हैं एक्सोथर्मिक रिएक्शन के बारे में। Those reactions in which temperature rises and heat is evolved are known as exothermic reaction. For example, quicklime plus water will give you slaked lime plus heat, that is CaO plus H2O will give you CaOH twice. Respiration is considered as exothermic reaction. इसके बारे में जानते हैं ऐसा क्यों। Potato, bread, etc. that we eat contains starch which on digestion gets converted into glucose. When we breathe in oxygen, glucose is oxidized which forms carbon dioxide, water vapors along with heat which provides us energy. Since heat is evolved during this reaction, therefore it is considered as exothermic reaction. Starch on digestion will give you glucose, that is C6H12O6 plus 6O2 will give you 6CO2 plus 6H2O plus heat. CH4 plus 2O2 will give you CO2 plus 2H2O plus heat. CH4 is natural gas, that is methane. उसके बाद बात करते हैं एंडोथर्मिक रिएक्शन के बारे में। Those reactions in which temperature falls and heat is absorbed are known as endothermic reactions. For example, barium hydroxide, that is BaOH twice, plus ammonium chloride, that is NH4Cl, will give you barium chloride, that is BaCl2, plus ammonium hydroxide, that is NH4OH. व्हाट इज अ केमिकल रिएक्शन एंड व्हाट इज अ केमिकल इक्वेशन, दोनों के बारे में जानेंगे। सबसे पहले बात करते हैं केमिकल इक्वेशन के बारे में। इट इज अ रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ केमिकल रिएक्शन बाय यूजिंग द सिंबल्स एंड फॉर्मूला of the elements or compounds present in the reactant and product। एक balanced chemical equation क्या होती है? The chemical equation in which the number of atoms of reactants and products are same are known as balanced chemical equation। एक chemical equation को balance क्यों करते हैं? According to law of conservation of mass, जिसको हम शॉर्ट फॉर्म में LCM भी कह सकते हैं, mass can neither be created nor destroyed in a chemical reaction, so the number of atoms of reactant and products has to be equal। So to follow this law we need to balance a chemical equation। अब आता है types of reaction। Those chemical reactions in which two or more reactants combine to form a single product are known as combination reaction। इसका एग्जाम्पल है CaO plus H2O will give you CaOH twice plus heat। CaO is quicklime and CaOH twice is slaked lime। This reaction is used in whitewashing। When we paint the walls of our house, it takes 2-3 days to give shiny appearance because the calcium hydroxide reacts with CO2 gas present in atmosphere and forms calcium carbonate and water vapors। CaOH twice plus CO2 will give you CaCO3 plus H2O and it gives the shining appearance। Next is decomposition reaction। Those chemical reactions in which a single reactant breaks down to form two or more products। इसमें तीन तरीके होते हैं। पहला है thermal decomposition reaction by providing heat, photolytic decomposition reaction by providing sunlight, and electrolytic decomposition reaction by providing electricity। thermal decomposition reaction की बात करें, those decomposition reactions which are carried out by providing heat are known as thermal decomposition reaction। Example, 2FeSO4, that is ferrous sulfate, on heating will give you Fe2O3, that is ferric oxide, plus SO2, that is sulfur dioxide, plus SO3, that is sulfur trioxide। They both give the smell of rotten egg। और प्योर वेज भाइयों के लिए कैरेक्टरिस्टिक स्मेल ऑफ सल्फर। अब FeSO4 जो है वो था ग्रीन कलर का, जो आपको Fe2O3 मिला वो है रेडिश ब्राउन कलर का। एक और एग्जांपल लेते हैं, PbNO3 twice, that is lead nitrate of white color, on heating will give you PbO, that is lead oxide of yellow color, plus NO2, that is nitrogen dioxide of brown fumes, plus O2। नेक्स्ट है photolytic decomposition। Those decomposition reactions which are carried out in the presence of sunlight are called photolytic decomposition reaction or photolysis। AgCl of white color on providing sunlight will give you Ag plus Cl2 and the Ag is of grey color। AgBr of yellow color will on providing sunlight will give you Ag of grey color plus Br2। These reactions are used in black and white reactions। Electrolytic decomposition reaction की बात करते हैं। Those decomposition reactions which are carried out by passing electric current are known as electrolytic decomposition reaction। इसमें आपके लिए एक एक्टिविटी आती है। Take a plastic mug and drill 2 holes at its base। Insert the electrodes in the holes and fix them by using rubber stopper। Connect both the electrodes by using 6-volt battery। Fill the water in the mug such that the electrodes get immersed in it। Add dilute sulfuric acid to water to increase its conductivity। Invert 2 test tubes on each electrode and plug in the key। Observations: we will observe that the gas collected over cathode, that is hydrogen, is double the amount of gas collected over anode, that is O2। इसका रीजन क्या है? दिस इज बिकॉज ऑन इलेक्ट्रोलिसिस ऑफ वाटर इट ब्रेक्स डाउन टू फॉर्म हाइड्रोजन एंड ऑक्सीजन such that H2O will give you H2 plus O2। Hydrogen and oxygen are present in the ratio 2:1 by volume in water। बात करते हैं डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन की. Those reactions in which a highly reactive metal displaces the less reactive metal from its salt solution. For example, if we take an iron nail which is grain color, there is Fe, and immerse it in a blue colored copper sulfate solution, that is CuSO4, the color of solution fades away and becomes green while the iron nail becomes brown. So Fe plus CuSO4 will give you FeSO4 plus Cu. बात करते हैं रिफाइनिंग ऑफ सिल्वर की. AgNO3 प्लस Cu विल गिव यू CuNO3 ट्वाइस प्लस Ag, यानी सिल्वर नाइट्रेट प्लस कॉपर विल गिव यू कॉपर नाइट्रेट प्लस सिल्वर. जो रिफाइनिंग ऑफ सिल्वर है ये काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है, ये इक्वेशन को आप ज़रूर याद करके जाइएगा. बात करते हैं डबल डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन की. Those reactions in which two compounds exchange their ions are known as double displacement reaction. एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं. BaCl2 plus Na2SO4 will give you BaSO4 plus NaCl. Colorless plus colorless will give you white PPT. बात करते हैं प्रेसिपिटेशन रिएक्शन की, जो आपका क्वेश्चन नंबर 15 है एनसीईआरटी का. Those reactions in which two aqueous solution of different compounds on mixing form an insoluble compound which separates out as a precipitate. बात करते हैं ऑक्सीडेशन रिएक्शन की, जो आपका क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 है एनसीईआरटी का. Those reactions in which there is addition of oxygen or removal of hydrogen takes place. Cu plus O2 will give you CuO. Reduction reaction. Those reactions in which there is reduction of oxygen on addition of hydrogen takes place. Those reactions in which oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously are called redox reaction. अब बात करते हैं corrosion की, जो आपका क्वेश्चन नंबर 20 है. It is a process of heating up of reactive metal by the moist air, water or acid. The reactive metal is said to be corroded. Formula इसका रहेगा 2Fe plus 3/2O2 plus XH2O will give you FeO3 dot XH2O. Methods to prevent corrosion. पहला है by painting. We can prevent corrosion in the iron articles like bodies of cars and buses and iron gates etc. दूसरा by lubricating. Broken machinery parts can be lubricated by greasing to prevent corrosion. तीसरा galvanization. In this method, a thin layer of zinc is formed on iron article which protects it from corrosion. तो इसके बाद है rancidity. The oxidation of oils and fats present in the food leading to bad taste and foul smell. Methods to delay rancidity. सबसे पहले addition of antioxidants. Antioxidants delay the process of rancidity. Second, vacuum packing. Keeping the food in airtight containers delay the process of rancidity. तीसरा, addition of nitrogen gas. Nitrogen gas provides an inert atmosphere and cuts off the supply of oxygen and hence slow down the process of rancidity. Therefore, the manufacturers of chips flush the bags of chips with nitrogen gas. ये बनता है आपका क्वेश्चन नंबर 19 एनसीईआरटी का. Corrosion of silver. Ag plus H2S will give you Ag2S plus H2. Corrosion of copper. Cu plus O2 plus H2O plus CO2 will give you CuCO3 dot CuOH twice. Oxidizing agent क्या होता है? The substance which loses oxygen or gains hydrogen, or reducing agent with the substance which gains oxygen or loses hydrogen. तो चलिए दोस्तों, ये चैप्टर तो यहीं पे खत्म होता है. अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आई तो लाइक जरूर कीजिए और सारे सब्जेक्ट्स की वीडियो देखने के लिए हमारे चैनल सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, बेल आइकन को भी दबाइए. हम मिलते हैं आपसे अपनी अगली वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए टाटा बाय बाय, थैंक यू.